TAT hosts the Grand Chiang Mai Car Party. The Tourism Authority of Thailand, TAT, is organizing the amazing Chiang Mai Car Festival 2024, a grand car-themed event in Chiang Mai, aiming to revitalize northern tourism and attract high-quality travelers during the high season. November 21st, 2024, at the Plaza of the Chiang Mai 700th Anniversary Stadium, Mr. Chakraphol Tangsuthitham, Assistant Minister of Tourism and Sports, presided over the festival's opening. This event, running from November 21st to 24th, 2024, is part of TAT's strategy to combine event marketing with creative activities. It targets the fast-growing, high-spending car enthusiast segment to boost tourist confidence, stimulate travel, and revive tourism in the aftermath of recent floods. Key officials, including Chiang Mai Deputy Governor Weeraphong Ritrod, participated in the ceremony. Mr. Chakraphol Tangsuthitham stated that the Thai government is committed to establishing Thailand as a tourism hub under the Ignite Thailand's tourism policy. This includes positioning the country as a world-class event destination in music, sports, food, and lifestyle. The amazing Chiang Mai Car Festival 2024 is part of the Thailand Winter Festival under the Chiang Mai Festival City Initiative, designed to enhance the province's reputation as a center for creative festivals. The event is expected to significantly boost the regional economy and rebuild confidence among tourists following the August floods. Event highlights: car exhibits, displays of classic cars, vintage Vespa scooters, customized racing cars, and Volkswagens. Concerts, daily performances by renowned artists including November 21st, Tono and the Dust, the Bugs Bang. November 22nd, Mying, Drews. November 23rd, Loma Sonic Whisper. November 24th, Prang Thip, Sampong Band. Vintage and food zones. Over 80 booths offering vintage items, souvenirs, and delicious local food, including food trucks and iconic Chiang Mai eateries. Special show, a highlight featuring Thailand's #1 retro racing car, crowned at the Retro Havoc Cars Show 2024. Attendance and accessibility. TAT anticipates over 10,000 attendees and around 200 participating cars from northern Thailand, other regions, and international car enthusiasts. Admission is free of charge, with activities running from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily at the Chiang Mai 700th Anniversary Stadium.